Gamma just launched their Gamma graphics capability here within Gamma.app. And it is really, really cool because now you can see here under this new section, when you generate a Gamma, you can design all sorts of things from infographics to posters to invitations to even just logos or more advanced social media posts. And they make it super easy because all you have to do is explain what you want or drop in what you want and they'll make it for you. So I'm going to show you really quick where this is and how to access it and how to use it. So if I go back here over to Gamma.app, you can see here I'm logged in under Gamma. I click create new, and you'll see here in the past, depending on which one you use, like I use paste in text a lot, you won't see it under this one. You want to choose generate right here. So I choose generate, and then I can choose graphic, which you can see here is their new option. And then I can have it make something for me. I can choose diagram, calendar and schedule, something else, social media posts, whichever one I choose, right? It's going to go ahead and create and choose that layout option for me. So maybe I want to do Instagram portrait. I don't know. Let's just try it. Let's go Instagram portrait. I want to do social media post. Let's go. It's going to be an Instagram portrait post. And I want to promote one of my upcoming classes or events through my Eventbrite. Let's go ahead and pretend that it is this one. Again, I have not tried this yet. Let's see if it can read this link, or maybe if I click on it, I will give it all this information here. Okay. And go like this. Let's just go like that. And then let's just plug it in. Maybe I can go like this. And aspect ratio 4:5 count. That's how many different versions it can give you. Quality, you can go standard or premium. I'm all in on premium. Premium, you can see here, sharper detail, more accurate text, and cleaner compositions. The sweet spot between quality and cost. That's okay. Cost us a little bit of credits. No big deal. I'm going to click generate variations here and just let's see what it does. Very minimal effort. You see I copied and pasted the class details. While this is generating, I'll show you some other things I've created. I went ahead, I uploaded a PDF document for rules and regulations on some title insurance changes in the real estate community, and it made this for me off of my PDF. Another one I did was I just inputted some text of a video script in what's happening with AI and Claude Cowork, and it built 3 different versions. It gave me one of those. You can see here it's generating right now. It's got this one, it's called Command Setter, this one called Before and After Split Screen, and then this one Newspaper Extra. But you'll see here once this loads, I can choose the one that I want, the style that I want. One thing that I didn't do that I could have done up here is I could have chosen my theme. So I just chose none. I let it go crazy and we'll just see what it does. But if I wanted to stay on brand with my colors, I could choose the Chicago title theme if I wanted to. And I could click it and select it, right? So let's see here. Just made this one before AI, after AI. That's pretty funky. Agentic AI for Realtors, Work Smart in 2026. Free class by Jared Larkin, limited seats. That's pretty funny. Okay, cool. Definitely out there. What's this one? The Colorado Springs Real Estate Gazette. Local agents discover the AI that actually does the work. That's pretty cool. Again, I gave this no direction, so you can see here it's just making stuff up. But you got a little newspaper style, and then you got this one. Your AI works while you close. Agentic AI for Realtors. Work Smart in 2026. Honestly, I kind of like this one. Calendar set, farm list bill, MLS data prep, email drafted. I'm going to go in with this one. So this is the one I want. I'm going to move my video over here. I can start with this concept. So if I can click right here, you can now see it'll load in. I'm going to download this whole thing. I can tweak it some more if I wanted to, but I'm content with this. So I'm just going to export it here. All right. And I'm going to save this as Agentic AI class Colorado Springs. And now it's saved to my computer as a PNG file. Look at it's huge, high quality. And I can go ahead and post this to social. It's never been easier. But if you've not messed with the Gamma graphic feature, it is so darn easy to do anything. Highly recommend trying that out. Hope that helped.